How to transfer large videos from iPhone to your laptop. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer your large videos from your iPhone to your laptop. What I need to do first is to head into the App Store on my phone and download an app called Dropbox. When you have downloaded the app, then you will need to go into the app and create an account on Dropbox if you don't have one already. To create an account, click right here and then fill out this information here and click Create Account. I have a link in my description that takes you directly into creating your account on Dropbox. You can use that link if you want to, and if you do, I will get an extra 500 megabytes of storage space in Dropbox. But of course, you don't have to use my link, it's fine. You can choose the free basic plan as I have done, and then Dropbox is completely free and you can store up to 2 gigabytes of space in Dropbox. To upload a video or a photo, click right here, and then you can click on Upload Photos, and now you can either select a photo or a video from your iPhone. Just select it and then click on Next. And after you have done that, click where it says Upload. Now, after that, just head into the Dropbox account on your computer. After that, click where it says All Files, and then choose the video that you want to download. After that, click where it says Download. And just like that, I have now transferred my video from iPhone to my laptop. And as I said before, you can upload up to 2 gigabytes on Dropbox with a free basic account. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.